All right, we've got a 2012 F350 crew cab long bed with the 6.7 liter diesel engine in it. It's the XLT model. Looks to be in really good shape. Seats are good. There's not a rip on them. They had seat covers over them, so there's not even a stain, it looks like. They look good. This one has your computer information right here, so you can go between info, your trips, distance, average fuel miles, temperature, timer, all that stuff. Also has your cruise right here. Over here you've got your media, answer your phone calls. Automatic headlights, the lights work, they're on. So you can see high beam, low beam. I don't know if you see that over there. It does have tilt steering, and it has pedals that move back and forth. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power meters, also have heat. They all work. Over here, that one works. Driver's window works. I couldn't get the passenger window to work. I don't know if it's in a switch or a fuse or what, but that one I couldn't get to go up or down. I tried that button over there, so keep that in mind. Oops. So that all works. It does have a power sliding rear window, and also has heat in the rear window also. Mirrors are also heated. I don't know if you can see the heated symbol in it, but mirrors are heated. Four-wheel drive with the pull-out locker that does show up. Have a charger right there. Has an integrated brake controller. Has your upfitter switches. AC is blowing cold, so that all works. Heat works in it also. Radio works. Radio's making me a liar right now. It says buckle up. It was just on, so maybe I gotta throw my seatbelt on. It does have the mic key thing that they can take off.
Goodbye to all those coins and hello to the laundry card. It's a more convenient way to take care of your laundry in a safe, clean environment.
To tackle a swarm of appointments.
So it does have CD player. You can hook up an MP3 with the sync system right there. And it does have Bluetooth to link your phone. Center console. And it does have the key code and the owner's manual and everything there with it. So, center console. Total mode, manual shift. Does have key fob with remote start and keep the entry. It does have the key pad on the outside too.